Introducing the sleek and powerful 2023 Seat Ateca PA 2.0tdi 115HP SE Plus 5-door in stunning black. This estate boasts a 2-litre diesel engine with manual transmission for a smooth drive. Packed with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation and more, every journey will be a joy. Safety is a priority with ABS, multiple airbags, parking assistance and collision avoidance braking. With a powertrain warranty and anti-corrosion warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.